how flexible can the design be as we go through the process? Can we make changes or upgrades during construction?
So as we're going through the construction process, the more we have determined ahead of time, the smoother everything's going to go. That being said, we can certainly modify things on the fly. Sometimes you walk into a room and I wish this room was a little bit bigger. I wish this room was a little smaller. Or on paper, this shower looked bigger facing this way, but we'd like to turn it 90 degrees. Can we do that? And what are the implications of doing so? Will our plumbing still work okay with the door location of the shower, or whatever the case may be? We're definitely able to resolve these on the fly. We do like to plan for these ahead of time, but things do happen, and we're more than happy to facilitate what we need to do. The client's vision and their desire is our end goal. So no one is ever stuck exactly what it says on the paper. We're more than happy to do what is necessary for the client to build their dream house. But if that does involve a change midway through a project, there might be some schedule and cost implications that need to be dealt with because of that, but we're happy to take care of it.
So, once construction has started, why would we want to avoid modifications to the original plan?
We can definitely make modifications to the plans as we're doing the construction, but it does add some time and some added strain on both us as the builder, but also our subcontractors that are there performing the work. It typically will vary what their scope is, and it might make some of what they've already achieved go backwards and make it so the things that they've already installed now we're uninstalling and having to modify for the new changes. It is definitely a possibility, but to make the process go as smoothly as possible, we do like to do a lot of the planning on the front end so everything can just go as the schedule shows. And when we do add changes, it does modify the schedule and the budget.
And how do you handle change orders and custom finishes that may be outside the original plan?
As we're doing the construction, if there was a item, let's use flooring, for example, that a client sees that they like, but that is a more expensive product than what we called out in our estimate, we would put together a change order to cover that allowance difference for just that one line item. So in our proposal, every item is called out, and we would say, okay, you had $10,000 in this line item, but over here, this new product that we've selected that you know is more expensive is $15,000. We'll put together a change order for that $5,000 amount, plus a contractor fee on that amount, since our contractor fee is driven off of a percentage of the total house build.